welcome back to another White Noise Online. We are back again with I'm Mr. Henshaw, but joining us will be Giant Centipede.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, they may sound like the same exact person, but they are brothers. So, their parents will be complaining of screaming in the household.
Do you think I'm being killed?
Oh dear. Well, let's get this session underway and see if we can be killed. In White Noise.
I'm not sure if advertising.
Look at that, Ronald McDonald!
What do I look like?
Ronald McDonald.
The shit you wear, man. What are you wearing?
What sort
If I was a kid, mate, and I saw that, if I was in the woods, I would be gone.
I wonder what's going off now.
Fucking ginger sociopath.
Oh my god, Greg, have you seen his mustache?
Oh, it's a Dino
He
tag.
looks like a porn star.
Oh god. Wait, there's a
Not
there's a
good one,
tape,
that.
there's a tape straight off the bat.
Wait, off the bat.
Straight off the bat.
I want to know what these lot were actually doing in the woods before they was killed.
I think was looking for something.
Considering the clothes we're wearing, I'm guessing that we were on our way to like a fancy dress party. I went as like fucking
I'm
Velma.
not too sure if we're dressing up as a Scooby, Scooby. Oh god!
Oh, what the hell?
What
Run
Scooby-Doo
faster!
fancy dress with you, Tyler.
It's gone. I'm all alone. Where are you? There.
Trust me, you will not survive alone. Thanks for the...
It's dangerous to be alone. Yeah.
It's dangerous to be alone. Thanks for boosting my enthusiasm.
I think there's a message in there telling people to get the fuck off their arse and go and make some friends or be raped in the woods by this monster.
Okay, hold on. Have you seen that? It's like some sort of emo kid with a staple on his foot. Oh, that's a paperclip on his forehead. His eyeballs hanging out.
Oh dear.
You know, yeah.
Well, how
Pull their eyes
creative.
out.
That's what happens. I want to take this way. Well, it's bloody noisy, whatever it is.
What's that? Where's that noise coming from?
It's coming from something that I cannot see.
Oh
Oh,
god.
I'm alone! I'm lost! Oh no, thanks. Thanks for bringing me. Oh, hello.
Ronald
Hello.
McDonald will save you.
Yeah, I'm sure he will.
Follow this path.
360s.
A bit of fun. 360 look for a creepy slender nerd.
Look at Tyler, look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Diamonds in the sky.
There's something in the sky, I tell you. There's a lot of bloody stars.
I say, tell if there were diamonds, mate.
Those trees seem to not be getting closer, which worries me.
Oh, don't worry. This game's not such good graphics.
Hey, it's those engineering gravestone things.
Oh,
Yeah,
those,
you know.
those ones.
Why can't we just jump in one of these graves?
And die.
Oh!
Oh,
it literally
dear.
sounds like that.
Oh dear, don't look
dickhead.
behind you. Don't look behind you.
I can't even see it. There's nothing
I
behind me.
nearly like threw the microphone across the room because of what just happened then.
Microphone, it's all your fault!
Teleport again somewhere.
It's the one smashes.
No, it teleported in, but it was like 3 feet from me, and like you know, that thing was just like
Spinning round! My controller's gone! What the hell?
your controller is gone.
It's making me spin!
Oh god.
What's that? I got to... Oh god! Shit! Ah, it's there! It's there! Can't run away!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Greg, what?
Ah! I have to disconnect. What's that?
Tyler,
Greg, pressure. Oh no!
Okay, my controller's back on now. Oh my god.
Wait, this is where we came from, lads. We've just gone in a complete circle.
Oh well. Yeah.
Yeah,
Purchase my
ladies.
sat nav. It will take you the exact same way you went. If you want to go home, we'll take you to Sainsbury's.
I might just like stand.
I would
here and it kills
rather, I
me,
would
so it's like I'm
rather
praying to a
be
grave.
in Sainsbury's.
Whoa.
I would rather be in Sainsbury's in a dark, deserted field with tons of random shit. Monster trying to eat my brains and molest me.
Come on, Brad.
rather be in Sainsbury's.
Brad, we need to see if we can beat our record from the first video. Like, we survived 11 minutes that time. We survived.
Yeah, but
let's
be honest, the scariest thing in here is a giant centipede.
Yeah, gotta
It should be running away from us. But it's not, it's behind us!
be. You liar.
No, it's there! Ah!
Oh,
Leave me!
Whoa.
I see it's just peeking at me! And it's still there! It's still there! Oh god, I've just turned my light. Okay, it's back on. I'm scared!
No, 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 no. I don't want to play this.
What don't you want to play?
This game. Is it scary?
Oh, what jelly bean!
Jelly bean!
Jelly bean. What's with the water? It looks like... I don't know what it looks like.
Brad, stop staring at the jelly bean. You're not gonna sacrifice it.
Two of them.
You're not. There's 2 jelly beans.
What? I can't avoid the look. I can't avoid looking at them.
Run!
Here I can. Running away from a jelly bean that's standing still. Ah! It's following me.
The monster!
It's not a monster. It's simple.
Please be a tape recorder. Please, please, please. Please.
You left me. I'm alone.
Oh god, Greg, it's dangerous.
Ah, it's following me.
It's dangerous.
I'm alone.
It's dangerous to be alone, Greg.
I think it's dangerous to be involved. Never mind alone. It's dangerous to be alone. Oh, thanks for the advice. Let me just catch up with my friends. Promise you won't molest me.
Promise.
I promise I won't touch you.
Oh, he's gonna molest us.
Oh look, Tyler, look.
Ronald McDonald, where are you going?
Have a look.
Someone help me, I'm blind. Ah, it's there! I'm lost!
Greg.
Tyler, come here.
Greg.
Oh, no, you're leaving me now.
I can't even see him.
Tyler, run away.
I'm lost!
Oh shit.
Ah, it's there as well!
Oh god. Brad, we gotta go help your brother.
Help me! I found a recorder! Found a recorder! Yeah. Please help me! It's dangerous!
There, I see his flashlight.
Yay! Greeted by 2 gingers. Well, thank you.
Gingy minge.
Oh, here were the stone kitty statues. Ow,
Oh, it's behind us! That thing was peeking over a rock like some sort of stalker. Oh
Well,
god, I can see it. It's behind a tree. It's behind.
Ah, what does it want?
Oh god.
I never thought I'd be following McDonald. Ronald
It's
McDonald
behind
in the
us.
Forest. I'm gonna check. No, it's not.
It's not. It's not there now.
That's talking shit.
Ronald, what's the plan?
For you two to come back into Mackin and I'll touch your little ass.
Yeah, you can have a Happy Meal.
Your burgers consist of horse meat.
Oh,
Leave supermarket. Ah, it's right there!
Tyler, I know why he's chasing us.
He wants your horse meat. What?
He wants a Happy Meal.
He wants that.
He wants that. He didn't get a toy in his Happy Meal.
He got the wrong toy and he wants to change it. I already have that one in my collection.
You didn't give him correct change. Oh god, he's behind us.
Ah, it's raping me. And oh, it's there again.
What? Guys, where? Oh, help me.
Whoa! Ah, it's right there. It's so hench. It's unbelievable.
It's behind you, Greg.
I'm not turning around.
Well, I don't know why I keep turning around.
It's got a six-pack. He's got muscles upon muscles upon muscles that are tempting muscles that are on muscles.
His six-pack has got a six-pack. Oh god.
Which has a six-pack. Ah, it's there!
Should we just camp in here?
Hench. Okay, yeah, happily.
He's got like a 36-pack.
Of what? Of children in his frigging bag.
Right, you two watch the door.
Okay.
I'm going to look out the window.
Tyler, observe the floor.
SOS. SOS.
I hope it's epileptic. I'll kill you.
SOS.
I see. What the hell? That's not. What the hell's that? It's like a mini smiley face.
Greg, I'm the only one watching the door.
No, you don't have to watch the door. It's not going to come through the door. It's thick as shit.
Right.
It will come through the wall.
Right.
Oh, okay. I lied. What was that? It's out the window. Don't look out the window. It's there. Brad, try the light in my eyes. My dude's going blind. I'm sure that's not going to help when I think about it.
Oh god. Fuck it. I'm gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit. Hey, I'm fine. It's behind you!
It's cornered me inside the house!
No, Bradley!
Get away!
Hey, Brad! We'll have a disco in the harshest of times. We can still have fun when we're getting molested by a cyborg monster. Woohoo!
Brave. Oh my god!
Where is it? Ah! I was like, where is it? Then I saw some sort of silver six-pack. Oh, it's gone. Yay! Double lights I'll look at. It's not there.
Hello? Oh god. I don't think it's safe yet.
Ah, it's there!
Yep, it's definitely not safe yet.
You think?
I'm looking out window.
Boonch,
There's
boonch,
nothing scary out the
boonch,
window besides the
boonch,
fact that we're locked in a room
boonch.
with a pedo after. Check. Yeah, it's gone.
Run, Greg, run.
Get back in!
My flashlight's...
What is it?
My flashlight's gonna die!
Okay, I'm going out. I'm checking, lads. I'm checking. Safe. Ah, it's it!
Where could it possibly be? Oh,
Right
it
there.
could be right there.
Where can it possibly be? Oh, I don't know.
I'm staying in the...
Ah, it's there again! Ah, you two can stay in the corner,
Yeah,
you coward.
I'm staying here.
I've locked you in the corner.
It's me doing with the first one to die, Greg.
None of us are going to die because you're locked in the corner.
I'm gonna check. Hello? Hello?
I'm going to risk it. It's not there.
It's not. He's not here.
Ah, it's behind us!
What, where?
It's behind us! It was
My flashlight! My flashlight's dead! Greg!
I'm here.
Oh no, I see it!
Over there! Charlie, you're on your own! You're on your own!
Charlie, you made me jump!
Greg,
No, it's there! It's just there!
my flashlight is bollocked.
Yes, Audi batteries. Don't buy them.
I can't see
Them
anything.
boys.
Okay, it's gone, don't worry. Ah, it's right there! It's right there! Don't go out, Tyler, don't go out. Don't go out, Tyler. It's useful advice.
Hello?
It's gone. Ah, it's behind you!
I lost the team! Ah!
I'm looking again. It's gone. That didn't take long.
That's it, I'm gonna grow a pair and get moving.
I'm gonna grow 3 just to make sure.
You do that. I like my little cubby hole.
Ah, she's in there!
I'm good. I'm fine.
How about as good as, but it's not really good.
I'm fine.
Really-
Oh no, Greg!
Jelly bean, jelly bean!
Jelly bean!
Oh no! It's dangerous to be alone!
Ah! Take advice, Brad, and don't be alone, boy.
Jelly bean is right there.
Oh shit, jelly bean's following us.
God.
Ah! My screw's gone all fuzzy!
Run, Brad. Trust me. Run.
Running's the only way to solve it, but it's the worst way at the same time.
Oh god! Tyler! Tyler! Double back and come into that little building again, you'll see me!
No, we're leaving you.
Oh God.
Oh, I'm dead. Look, I tried to hide in the
You're seriously
corner.
dead. You're dead.
Yeah. Tyler,
Did
it's
it
so
rape
funny you come back.
Did it
Come back to
rape
that
you?
house.
We're not going back to. Okay, we'll go to your. Okay, wait.
Tyler, you can see me, I'm behind you.
Wait, I found something.
Sweet. Right, Greg. My flashlight.
Greg! Tyler, I'm behind you. I'm moving around with the dragon's head.
Oh shit, my flashlight's gone off.
Has it?
That's back on.
Oh God.
No, it's on.
Greg, behind you!
I'm not looking behind me. I know you're behind me,
Yeah.
but the odds are. Ah, she's there. Don't run to your left.
Oh no!
Tyler, follow me, follow me.
Potato.
I don't know where you are, Brad. Okay.
Brad, you're a light source. I'm following you.
Yes, boys.
Brad's a light source. Is he doing the moonwalk or is it like one of those weird... Is he looking at us or isn't he? Help me! Oh no, he's not. Okay. Yes. Ah, shit!
Oh God!
Help me! Oh God! I just saw a weird veiny six-packed monster raped me.
18 minutes. I think that was successful.
Wow.
Wow, giant! How descriptive.
4 screams.
4 screams times that by 40.
Oh god.
Replay. Okay, we're gonna draw a giant dick again. Probably. Okay. As you can see, the ball is being created right now. That's a giant ball. No, that's a dick. Okay, no, okay. Yep, okay, that's a ball.
What?
Yeah, we're making another ball now. Okay, that ball's gone a bit AWire.
Wait, no. Oh no.
Yep, the ball's being created. That's the end of the day. Okay, go right. No. Okay, that's the other ball. Now, that's the dick.
Oh dear.
It looks like a pair of half.
We just
It
camp.
doesn't-
That's us when we camp there for a bit.
That's Harry Potter's glasses.
Oh god, that's
He
what
just ran off and left me.
There we are, look, 2 balls, yeah, I knew it was gonna happen, look. Oh, here we are, oh, and that's what.
Oh god. And that was white noise. Leave a like and a favourite if it was enjoyed, and oh god, we're all gonna shit our pants the moment this goes off. Oh god.